Welcome to Trinity Billiards. I'm going to introduce you to some interesting characters in just a moment, but first, what is Trinity Billiards? Here, you'll get personalized instruction from a PBIA and ACS, Certified Master Instructor, with over 25 years of experience teaching players how to play this amazing game the right way. You will acquire dependable mechanics, a wealth of knowledge, and a controlled mental game. The Trinity of Billiards. Now, let me introduce you to a few characters who might remind you of yourself, each at a different stage in their billiards journey.
Hi, I'm Fina. I'm already an advanced player who's been at it for a while. But there's always something new to learn. If the pros have their own coaches, then why shouldn't I? I love seeing how much I improve over time, and who knows, maybe someday, Trinity Billiards will certify me as an instructor.
Fina, with your knowledge, skills, and fundamentals, there is no doubt you would make a fantastic PBIA and ACS instructor. Now, let's meet our next character.
What's up? I'm Paul. I've been playing long enough to get pretty good myself.
He thinks he's a lot better than he really is.
Alright, maybe I brag a little too much, but hey, I do back it up with some killer bank shots.
Yeah, maybe 1 out of every 10 tries.
Okay, but when I do miss, I usually just meant to play safe.
Hey guys. Hi, I'm Seth. I just started playing and I love it. I'm still working on my aim, and I usually take the easiest shot I can see. But Trinity Billiards is helping me learn the right way before I build bad habits. Like Paul.
Hey, that's not true. Is it?
That is why we're here.
At Trinity Billiards, we believe anyone can learn and everyone can improve. Sure, you can read books, watch videos, or hit a million balls, but that's a bad idea, and we'll tell you why in class. Stick with us, and you will discover the real value from the lessons when you see improvement in your own game. Don't wait any longer. Contact Trinity Billiards for more details.